In this video, we're going to look at multipliers. Now, we can use multipliers to work out percentage increases and decreases, and it's what we multiply the original amount by. So first one, we're going to look at increasing amounts. So if we're adding a percentage on, and we need to work out 100% plus the increase. So the first increase is 20%, so that would mean we've actually got 120%, and then the next thing we need to do is always write them as a decimal. So this is going to be 1.2, so we would multiply our original amount by 1.2. So 5.3, we'll add that to 100%, well that would become 105.3%. So we must write that as a decimal. So when we write this as a decimal, all of the numbers move to the right by 2. This becomes 1.053. So we would multiply our original amount by 1.053. Lastly, if we're going to increase by 87%, so we need to add that to 100, so that would be 187%. And now we need to write that as a decimal, which would be 1.87. Let's have a look when we are decreasing an amount by a percentage. Well, decreasing is 100% minus the decrease. So, for instance, first one, we're going to have 100 minus 20. It's going to be our percentage. Well, that would be 80%. And writing that as a decimal is 0.8. So we would times our original amount by 0.8. The next one, well, 100 take away 5.3% is going to give us 94.7%. Writing that as a decimal would be 0.947. Lastly, 87%. So 100 take away 87%. That would leave us with 13%. So we would need to multiply by 0.13.